In December 2024, astronomers detected a new asteroid, 2024 YR4. At first, the world held its breath. Early predictions suggested it could hit Earth in 2032, with a probability reaching as high as 3.1%. It was enough to put scientists on high alert and to remind humanity how vulnerable we are to cosmic events. But then came a shift. New observations arrived, calculations were updated, and the asteroid was officially removed from Earth's risk list. Earth was safe. However, the Moon, our closest neighbor, isn't entirely in the clear. On December 27, 2024, the Atlas Observatory in Chile spotted a small asteroid, later named 2024 YR4. It was estimated to be about 53 to 67 meters in diameter, roughly the size of a Boeing 747 aircraft. That might sound small on a cosmic scale, but for Earth, an object that size could release energy equivalent to several nuclear bombs. Initial data showed a worrying trajectory. The asteroid had a 3.1% chance of impacting Earth in December 2032. This made it the most dangerous object on NASA's Sentry Risk table at the time. The Torino scale, which rates asteroid threats, ranked it at level 3. A close encounter with a 1% or greater chance of a collision capable of causing localized destruction. The world took notice. News outlets ran headlines. Scientists intensified their tracking. Planetary defense teams started running simulations. As more data came in, especially from larger telescopes like Gemini South and James Webb Space Telescope, the asteroid's trajectory became clearer. By mid-January 2025, the chance of impact had dropped significantly. In February 2025, the odds were updated to just 0.28%, then further down to 0.0039%. And eventually NASA and ESA confirmed there would be no impact on Earth. It was a relief. Earth had dodged another bullet. But in the background, a new concern was quietly rising. The Moon doesn't have a risk table like Earth, but scientists still model potential impacts. As Earth was ruled out, orbital simulations showed a different possibility. The asteroid might strike the Moon instead. The predicted time frame? December 22, 2032. The odds? As of the latest data, about 4.3%. Higher than the original risk to Earth. If asteroid 2024 YR4 does hit the Moon, it won't be a global disaster. But it would be the first time we've ever predicted a natural object to strike the Moon and potentially witnessed it in real time. The impact could create a crater up to 1 to 2 kilometers wide and release the energy of 5 to 8 megatons. For comparison, that's more than 300 times the Hiroshima bomb. A Moon impact might sound dangerous, but to scientists, it's an opportunity. The Moon has no atmosphere. Any debris ejected from the crater would not burn up. It might even send lunar material into Earth's orbit. If we're prepared, space agencies could deploy orbiters or surface sensors to observe the impact, measure the crater, and study the ejecta. This would give us rare real-time data on how asteroid strikes affect rocky bodies. It would help us prepare for future asteroid threats, on Earth or elsewhere. The asteroid will soon fade from view. After mid-2025, we won't be able to track it again until it returns in 2028. During that time, we need to prepare. Agencies are already planning missions to better understand objects like asteroid 2024 YR4. New satellites like Enyo Surveyor and Neomir will help us spot similar threats earlier. The good news? Earth is safe. The bad news? We're still learning. And asteroid 2024 YR4 is our teacher. From panic to opportunity, the story of asteroid 2024 YR4 shows how fast science evolves. What started as a possible doomsday scenario became a moment for learning. Whether or not it hits the Moon, asteroid 2024 YR4 has already left an impact on how we observe, react, and prepare for what space throws our way. In 2032, we might look up and witness a flash on the Moon's surface. And when we do, we'll remember that for a brief moment, that rock in space reminded us of the power of science, vigilance, and the unknown.